Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites: the Bonelab mod kit, the correct Unity version, and an FBX POM model scaled to the game world. Import your model into Unity and make sure the pivot aligns with the hand root. This ensures correct attachment. Once done, assign standard textures, albedo, normal, metallic, or roughness, and set material shaders to the kit's recommended type. Make sure to save a working prefab early, so you can iterate without losing a stable baseline. Next, rig and prepare the POM for interaction. You'll create a minimal bone chain matching the player hand orientation so animations and IK map cleanly. Add colliders, small capsules for fingers, and a convex mesh for the POM so physics is stable. Then, attach the interaction scripts from the mod kit. Assign grab and pose anchor points on the prefab so the engine knows where to snap. Test in Unity Play to confirm collisions, weight, and anchor response before packaging. Finally, export your prefab as the mod bundle and place it in the Bonelab mods folder, then launch the game and load your POM. Check alignment, grab responsiveness, and how physics reacts during fast motions. If the POM clips or jitters, tweak collider sizes and mass, refine joint damping, or increase physics solver iterations to stabilize behavior. If poses misalign, adjust anchor transforms and re-export. One key tip: when things go wrong, iterate one variable at a time to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.